Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix Wi-Fi problem in your Redmi A5 smartphone. So let's start the video friends. If you are facing connectivity issues and Wi-Fi is not connecting to your smartphone, slow Wi-Fi problem, or it is automatically turned off problem, so I will tell you in this video. So let's start the video. Firstly, you have to open your Wi-Fi. So here it will show all the available networks. Tap on the internet connection you want to uh, set. So here I am entering the password of this Wi-Fi. So click on connect. So it is connected successfully, as you can see. If it is not connecting to your smartphone, then you can just simply click on search, right here reset, and then simply scroll down, and here it is reset options. Click on reset Wi-Fi settings, and you can see Wi-Fi settings has been reset successfully. Now it will show the device, and if in case it is not pairing or not connecting to your device, just reboot or restart your device and then it will be fixed. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.